guys, what's going on? Here to do a quick video, and this video is going to be on this little Coach bag charm I got, and this is the mini Nolita bag charm in the signature canvas, and I picked this up today, so let me show you guys what it looks like. Well, here it is. Y'all saw this and I thought this was the cutest little thing, so y'all know I had to get it. This is so cute. Y'all look at this. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, that is the cutest little thing. Y'all, this is the mini Nolita bag charm, and this retails for $98. Let's see. Yeah, it retails for $98, and I got it off the Coach outlet site, and it was $39.20. It was 60% off, so that's how much I paid for it. So here you go, you guys. Let me take the little stuff off of here. Yeah, one thing about the Coach thing, they gonna have this stuff wrapped to the T. Good Lord. Baby. Oh, Lord have mercy. Sorry, y'all. I had to break out some scissors. I'm trying to hurry up on my battery die. Okay, so y'all, here it is. This is the cutest little thing, and this is the mini Nolita bag charm in the color signature. This is in the signature canvas. Too freaking cute. So here's the little inside. Let me see what all I can fit in here. Have this stuff with some paper. So here's the little inside. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Too cute. So let's see what fits in here. So I have some Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. Let's see if that'll fit. Let's see. No, that's not gonna fit. So that's not gonna fit. Let's see what we have here. You may be, let's see. I have some Carmex. Let's see if that'll fit. This, the regular size one isn't gonna fit, but if they, you know, they have those mini ones, so the mini ones should fit. Let's see. You can stick some coins in here. And then you can stick a couple of dollars in here if you know, fold it up or whatever and zip that up. So there's not really too much that's going to fit in here. Now you may be able to fit like a little pack of little wipes or something like that. The little to-go wipes, that may be able to fit. But it's a cute little, just a cute little thingy, but it definitely will fit that. And here's a little card, you know, that's not going to fit. So it's not going to hold any kind of ID, anything. So this is basically, you could either use it just for the charm only, for decoration, or you can put a couple of coins and a couple of dollar bills and stuff in there. And just have it like that, or have it, you know, like that. Let me see if I have a I thought maybe I had some little wipes, to-go wipes, but I don't have any or whatever. But I know that will fit in there. So I just wanted to show you guys this little cute video. Now they did have another little bag charm that I wanted. It was like the mini saddle bag charm, but yeah, that thing was like $51, and I was like, nope, I'm not paying that much for no charm. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Now if they mark it down, I'll get it, but no. But I did pay $39.20 for this one on the Coach outlet site. So I thought that was the cutest little thing, y'all. It's so cute. A little mini Nolita bag. So, like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.